This is a BMW F850GS, and I've noticed that I've got some play in the rear sprocket, which I'll demonstrate here. So you can move it sort of backwards and forwards, but that is obviously taking up play in the cush drive. But what I wouldn't expect is to have play sideways. If I do the play from top to bottom, you can see there's quite a lot of play in there. So like I say, I've replaced the roller bearing inside this hub with a brand new one, and it's made no difference whatsoever. But is this normal? I don't remember noticing this in the past, having had the bike for a couple of years now. So that's a good one. Does anybody else have this same play on their BMW F850? Is this normal?